you how to create this super easy glam look with a smudged out liner. Once you've primed the eyelid, then take your blending brush and apply a mid-tone, starting on the edge of the eye and working your way in. Keep your movements nice and smooth and light-handed. This will create a sheer blend for later. Taking a small brush now, we're going to apply a contour shade number 1, focusing this on the outer edge of the eye and deep into the crease. Remember not to blend your contour up past your mid-tone, so always keep your contour nice and low. Try using your crease as a guide and only apply it deep and low into the crease. Don't worry about blending right away, just apply as much product as you can in the area that you need to. Then take a clean blending brush and soften this out. By using a clean blending brush, you're going to get a clean blend. It's going to sweep out the product for you and create a really blurry finish. So sweep this across the lid and into the crease. Taking that same small brush again, this time we're going to take a deeper shade, contour shade number 2, and we're going to apply this on the outer third of the lid, layering over contour shade number 1. But this time, keep it really close to the outer edge of the eye. Try not to bring it in too far. And then once again, take your clean blending brush and sweep this over and back. Applying with one brush and then blending with the other will give you such a smooth finish. So holding your blending brush quite far down the handle, sweep this over everything that you've already applied. Now using that clean blending brush, we're actually going to apply a fade shade. Take a little bit of this product and just work it into the crease area. This will help give you that perfect blend. Now taking a flat brush and a matte highlight, we're going to apply this just underneath the brows. Typically this area is called the brow bone, but it's actually somewhat higher than the actual brow bone itself. Keeping with that same flat brush, I've slightly dampened it and I'm going to apply the highlighter shade across the lid. By using a slightly damp brush, you get more of a silky shine. Then taking your clean blending brush again, pick up a little bit more of that fade shade and blend the highlight and the contour together, right in the center. Now for the liner. Take a pencil liner and apply this on the outer edge of the eye in a triangular shape. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Focus on the outer quarter and just try and get an even layer of the liner in this area. Then taking your flat brush again, which I just wiped off with a tissue to remove any highlight, we're going to smudge over the top of this black liner. You want to work in the direction of that triangular shape. So sweeping over and back in short little motions, smudging as you go. Remember to do one eye at a time because sometimes the liner can set before it's smudged. Once you've got the level of smudge that you desire, take your blending brush again and sweep any harsh lines away. Finish off with some lashes and mascara and you're good to go. If you try this out, I'd love to see your recreations. You can tag me at ShaneadyKatie and check out the other videos on the screen. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. You've been watching The Makeup Chair and I'll see you in the next one.